You thought neural networks in 2025 were the peak? Forget it. 2025 was just the warm-up, a year of demos. Experts are already calling 2026 the year of the great merger. This is the moment technology stops being a tool in your hand and becomes the fabric of your world. Today, I'm breaking down 3 major shifts in 2026 that will make your current smartphone look as obsolete as a fax machine. First up is the death of the app as we know it. We are entering the era of seamless AI. Remember how you call a taxi today? Unlock, find the app, type the address, wait. In 2026, AI-based operating systems become proactive. You won't need to click anything. Your assistant knows you have a meeting, it calls the car itself, books the table itself, and messages your colleagues that you're running late itself. The smartphone transforms from a control panel into a pocket server, powering your smart glasses or earbuds. The screen is no longer king. Voice and context are. The second shock of 2026 is the death of traditional content. If Mid-Journey blew our minds in 2024, in 2026, streaming giants will start testing personalized movies. Imagine you don't just pick a movie, you pick a genre and actors, and the AI generates the plot in real time just for you. Gaming and cinema will merge. It's no longer passive viewing. It's an era where you can change the ending just by saying it out loud. Hollywood is in panic mode, but for us, it's the beginning of infinite entertainment. But this digital future demands insane energy, and that's where 2026 brings a surprise. While we stare at screens, SpaceX is planning the first serious moves towards Mars right in the 2026 window. This is the year Starship must prove humanity is a multi-planetary species. At the same time, driven by data centers' hunger for power, we'll see a renaissance in nuclear energy. Small modular reactors stop being sci-fi. Technology is forcing us to save the planet faster than we planned. 2026 won't be simple. It will divide people into those who use AI as an exoskeleton for their minds and those trying to compete with it bare-handed. The world is getting faster, weirder, but also more exciting. The only question is, will you be a spectator or a player in this new reality? Let me know in the comments what you're waiting for or fearing the most, brain chips or your job being automated. Subscribe because we are just starting to decode the future. See you in 2026.